The May 2026 SSI release includes both integral platform updates as well as key feature enhancements for piping, shipbuilding PLM, and more. This release fulfills SSI's annual upgrades for Autodesk, including AutoCAD and Navisworks 2026, as well as representing a milestone update with the implementation of the .NET 8 runtime platform and Windows Server 2025. Pipe supports can comprise a significant portion of the overall weight and center of gravity calculations for assemblies, units, and ultimately the gross weight of a vessel. The 2026 release of ShipConstructor now includes pipe support, part weights, and CG values for assembly calculations, while also allowing those parts to be counted within both bill of materials and reports. Also in this release, bent pipe modeling is now made easier with the addition of a right-click context menu to add or remove 0-degree bend grip points. This feature and similar context menus are designed to facilitate a more seamless and intuitive workflow by allowing focus to remain on the modeling task at hand. Pipe support component changes are now displayed within the Part Revision Viewer, providing date, time, action, user, and related details for each modification made. Furthermore, clash status changes are now captured in project revisions, making it easier to identify details such as when the change occurred and the user who made the changes. SSI Shipbuilding PLM now includes enhanced release container, or RCO functionality such as the ability to add multiple assemblies from the same or different parent assembly trees, as well as the option for items to be present in concurrent RCOs, where in previous iterations, this operation would first require the completion of any active RCOs before creating a new one. Additionally, while in the initial version of the release container workflow, parent assemblies would be required in order for spools to be added. In this current Stage 2 version, they can now be included directly without the reliance on the addition of parent items. SSI Marine Information Model or MIM Reports now include additional pages that allow for dynamic bill of material and summary statistics for your ShipConstructor project to be displayed and quickly analyzed, including the option to highlight drawings that may be out of date relative to their referenced parts. And finally, being able to find answers to questions online means less time spent searching and more time spent working on the project itself. SSI Nexus now includes an updated search to include content relevant to ShipConstructor users, with dedicated search options for community discussions, knowledge base articles, and general content. Users can now select the type of content, the product, and similar filters to surface the results needed. Find the May 2026 release of ShipConstructor and all SSI software downloads at SSI Nexus today.